Message from George. Storm info on 162.400.
A lake effect snow warning remains in effect until 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. What? Heavy lake effect snow. Additional snow accumulations of 4 to 8 inches in the most persistent lake snows. Where? Northern Erie and Genesee counties. When? Until 1 p.m. Sunday. Impacts travel could be very difficult at times with deep snow cover and poor visibility. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Heavy snow will fall in relatively narrow bands. If traveling, be prepared for rapidly changing road conditions and visibilities. Submit snow reports through our website or social media.
Message
The
from
following
Dan.
is an urgent winter
You need
weather
to turn on the
message
news
for
now.
the following counties.
We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. Please stand by for an important message. This is an emergency action notification message. All news media, commercial radio, and streaming services shall transmit this message. This is WC01. We will continue to serve the world of coal. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. Approximately 6 months ago, an unknown cosmic event occurred. This resulted in the destruction of Atlantean Prime 5, a dwarf planet near Pluto. Scientists studied the effects this would have on our planet. 2 hours ago, black portals have appeared across the world. The impact of this cosmic event is unknown, but all residents of the United States should be prepared for any outcome. Do not come into contact with these portals. You may be sent to another universe, timeline, or dimension with no way to return back. As the event continues, catastrophic events may occur. Refer to local and state emergency management offices to prepare for these events. Stay tuned to local media outlets as this event progresses for further information.
This is a message to all citizens of the planet Gaia. We have overthrown your government, and we are responsible for the portals appearing in your skies. In your culture, we are from Atlantis. We are the universal oathkeepers. We came to Gaia when your species was first discovered. Since then, your species has evolved and destroyed major animal populations. Your wars within your species prove your inability to further evolve. Upon the completion of this message, the planet will be transported to another universe. Some of you will not survive. Those who survive will be sent off-world to other planets, where you will learn to survive without weapons of destruction. Wealth cannot buy you freedom from this. All will be judged fairly. Gaia will be returned to her rightful place to heal, and humanity will no longer poison this universe.